Well, I'm back again, and I just woke up this morning, so I'm kind of tired. But I didn't want to wait to show on YouTube that I actually put the hydraulics in the trunk of my car. I put switches right here, the buttons, and then yeah, my trunk goes up on its own. Put those in there yesterday. Thought they were pretty neat. Got them at the '09 caddy. But, yep, I figured I'd show you all that. And I'll show you all letting it go down and then face this. Alrighty, up, peace.